Hello dear fans. What is the essence of Einstein's theory of relativity? In 1905, Albert Einstein suggested that the laws of physics are universal. So he created the theory of relativity. The scientist spent 10 years proving his assumptions, which became the basis for a new branch of physics and gave new ideas about space and time. Attraction or gravity. Two objects attract each other with a certain strength. It is called gravity. Isaac Newton discovered 3 laws of motion based on this assumption. However, he assumed that gravity is a property of the object. Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity relied on the fact that the laws of physics are fulfilled in all reference frames. As a result, it was discovered that space and time are intertwined into a single system known as spacetime or continuum. The foundations of the theory of relativity were laid, including 2 postulates. The first is the principle of relativity, which says that it is impossible to determine empirically whether an inertial system is at rest or moving. The second is the principle of invariance of the speed of light. He proved that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant. Events that occur at a certain moment for one observer can occur for other observers at a different time. Einstein also realized that massive objects cause distortion in spacetime. Experimental data. Although modern instruments cannot detect continuum distortions, they have been proven indirectly. Light around a massive object, such as a black hole, bends, causing it to act like a lens. Astronomers commonly use this property to study stars and galaxies behind massive objects. Einstein's cross. A quasar in the constellation Pegasus is an excellent example of gravitational lensing. The distance to it is about 8 billion light-years. From Earth, the quasar is visible due to the fact that between it and our planet there is another galaxy, which works like a lens. Another example would be the orbit of Mercury. It changes over time due to the curvature of spacetime around the Sun. Scientists have found that in a few billion years, Earth and Mercury may collide. Electromagnetic radiation from an object may lag slightly inside the gravitational field. For example, the sound coming from a moving source changes depending on the distance to the receiver. If the source moves towards the observer, the amplitude of the sound waves decreases. The amplitude increases with distance. The same phenomenon occurs with waves of light at all frequencies. This is called redshift. In 1959, Robert Pound and Glenn Rebka conducted an experiment to prove the existence of redshift. They fired gamma rays of radioactive iron towards the tower of Harvard University and found that the frequency of oscillations of particles on the receiver is less than the calculated one due to distortions caused by gravity. Collisions between 2 black holes are thought to create ripples in the continuum. This phenomenon is called gravitational waves. Some observatories have laser interferometers that can detect such radiation. Thanks for watching.